Good morning. Based on the business models, based on the nature of products, based on the sales process, company chooses different ways of marketing and different ways of selling the product. Majorly, there are two different ways of marketing and selling the products. One is business to business, other is business to customer. For example, a company manufacturing furnitures goes to an office and makes a deal with them and sells a bulk amount of products to the company. This is a business to business model. And a company have the products and they have like a shop kind of setup, and the customer directly goes to the shop, purchases single item from the shop. That is an example of business to customer service. The nature of business to business model and the nature of business to customer model have some differences. In business to customer model, the margin on the product and the selling price of the product may be high. In business to business services, he may have to give the products for some discount. The marketing strategies which they adopt for business to business model and business to customer model are different. In business to business service model, business to business marketing model, professionalism is required. If a marketing person approaches a business, he should be very professional. He should have marketing brochures, product brochures along with him. He should have presentation skills. He should have good communication skills. As there are more number of decision makers, more professional people, when he goes to sell his product to a business, then there is a lot of professionalism and customer retaining strategies, customer service strategies are required. And when you go to the business to customer, there the marketing strategies are different. There you need to have a good website, and so that you can attract and you can directly market himself to the customer. And the nature of the marketing people in business to business services and business to customer services varies. Sometimes in business to customer services, he may need to arrange the campaigns so that people can get aware of his products. And in business to business services, mostly the people approaches the businesses. So in this way it differs. Both have its advantages and disadvantages. Thank you.